All right, it's been a long time since I've done a craft, mostly because I just don't quite have the space for it. But this one is a simpler craft and it involves drawing, so that's what we're gonna do this time. So this original idea is not made by me, but I'm going to put my own spin on it. So what we're doing today is drawing a bat and turning that into a card in honor of Halloween. Okay, so we're gonna start by folding the paper in half, and we're only going to draw one side of the bat. To start though, I find it easier to draw a whole circle than drawing a half circle sometimes, or an oval in this case. So draw an oval over that center, okay? And make sure you leave plenty of room. So we're going to take up the whole space. All right, because we want a big card. Okay, and then about halfway through here, just put a mark there. And more than half, so if that's about halfway, let's go a little bit more. And put a mark there. Sometimes I find it easier to have a mark to go to than to just start drawing my line. So we want to curve this down here, make that kind of match. And then curve around. Okay, start to see where this is going, right? Now, I'm gonna do a lot of little curves, and let's see. We want this to come down like here, so okay, first I want to say this is the bat's head. Let's kind of draw a line here. This is where the body is. And we're gonna need that line later anyway. Okay, and from here, just go ahead and do your own scoops however you like. So 3 or more half circles. Now, I apologize, some of this drawing happened off camera and I didn't realize it until after the fact, but look at the drawing. And that'll give you an idea of how to do the feet. Yeah, okay. And now up here, let's add an ear for the bat. Okay, and up here, let's add an ear. So make it kind of big, like that. All right. Time to do some cutting out. So I'm gonna speed this up a little bit. And the big thing I'd like to note is that you don't have to cut out one big shape at one time. You can kind of go in and just cut out little chunks. Sometimes that's better. Okay. All right, so our bat is all cut out, and ta-da! Now we have where it looks the same on both sides. And we do have a fold down the middle, but don't worry about that. The next thing we want to do is fold in the wings. Don't mind those lines there. Okay, let's see. So I'm gonna kind of match it up like that. We'll kind of have the head showing still. Okay. That's cute. Okay. Okay, so now we have our beautiful bat shape. And before we fold in the wings and such, draw the face. Let's do that. So first, 2 big eyes. 2 circles for the eyes. We'll do a little oval for the nose to begin with, and a smile. And then let's add more to it. So circles inside the eyes. And a little pie cutout. I don't do that style too often, but this time we will. And then I want you to do a little half circle under the eye, overlap it a little bit. Eyebrows. Of course we need, so a curved line from there to the end of the ear. Same here. Then let's do two little ovals there. Outline the nose, kind of like a dog nose. And let's make this a little rounded too. So like that. Two little curves, and we need some fangs. Definitely some fangs. All right, that's a pretty happy looking bat. And then whatever you want to write in your card will go in this area. It's right where these lines are. You can draw a light line if you have a ruler. Go ahead and use that. Okay. Now you're gonna fold it where that line is. So you want the bat to be kind of giving itself a hug here. About like that. And it's okay if you don't have the lines. Pretty much what you're gonna do is take the wing where that corner is, all the way past the head a little bit, and try to make this curve match that curve. Okay, and then this one's a little easier because then you're trying to match, you take that point and have it match that. All right. Ah. And now you can write anything you want. Really, it could go anywhere, but your message will probably be here. So for me, I'm just gonna say, Happy Halloween. Okay. Before we finish, I'd just like to draw my bat face in a little more permanently here. So I'm gonna outline that with my pen. Go over my pencil lines. Now, if you have some black paper and like a good white pencil, like a Prisma pencil or a charcoal pencil, then you can totally do this on black paper or brown paper. And here's an example of that. So I did this digitally, but just to show you what it would look like, really awesome if you have the black paper. Or stick with what we have and add some color to it. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I've had a good time doing a craft again. It's been a while, and especially if I can add in drawing, then I really love it. I hope you did too. So if you did, please give the video a like, subscribe if you want to see more, and I will be back soon. See you then.